Well, my Hyundai Sonata was having the typical clunking steering column issues, so I brought down the steering column, as you guys can see, and just wanted to make a video seeing what it looks like underneath. But to remove the motor here, and interesting, not much damage there. But in here, the camera can capture that. Come on, focus. It's just shriveled up rubber everywhere. The camera just does not want to focus, does it? There we go. Okay. Well, I should get my light in here. There we go. We're out of extension cord. Yep, that's what it looks like. I have a new coupler somewhere, but just wanted to make this video and show everybody what it would look like once I got it out. So that's it.